It's a 99 Toyota Corolla. The range, I'm not sure about the range. I feel like maybe 06. They're all going to be the same. We're doing a seatbelt buckle. It's not working. Pop this off. These are 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. So we're going to extension. 12. I just leave them in there. Close that. This, I'm gonna pull this from this side up. It's got, pretty sure, yeah, the spring loaders are on this side, so. Yeah, so springs on this side, so pop back side in. If you try to do it from this side, you break these things. And two screws. This is gonna have like 2 or 3 little like hooks that go down, just a little plastic. So I'm gonna pull out up a little bit. Yeah. And then you gotta make sure this is all the way up. Like use your string, pull it all the way up. I'll give you your space, and then we're gonna pull the seat forward. We get our screwdriver. This is a good time to actually clean this. You know, this is dirty. This is the time to clean it. Now we're gonna pull the seat forward. We have little guy. This side. Pop that little lip out. Just take it easy with the stuff. You won't break them as easily. There's the pennies. And then this is a 14. Sometimes these are a little on there, so I went 1/2 inch. Alright, gonna put the new one in, so it's like a spring washer. It gives tension. Like beige color is obsolete. I did not want an aftermarket one because they suck. So I just got a black one. I'm just gonna Look at those centers. Alright, and then gently, you want to slide the bottom down right here, and then this on top. So just kind of over. That side clicks in. And now, if you look down, then we're lined up. So you want to make sure you're lined up. Try to find kind of an awkward spot to be in. And then that's your gentle, like we'll just. And that's not a magnetic tip screwdriver, that would just bounce. That's on. That back. The seat back. I'll take this. Both sides. You got this little. Both sides. This side's broken. Shove it back in there. Okay, so that's on. So that goes in place. We know the bolts will slide right in. Spring on top, so slide that in first, push down and back. And then throw their stuff back in the center console. Which means it's tight. Drop them, Mrs. Stab. Okay. Don't rush. I'm going to over tighten these tight the plastic. These don't want to move because they'll rattle. And another piece and all this stuff. And then we test. We toast. And now they can drive.